Oh, hi.
Hello.
Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We've got another recipe for you today, even though I didn't know what to make this week. And then yesterday was St. Patrick's Day, so we didn't have any leftovers for today because everybody gobbled up the carrots, potatoes, and cabbage.
Yum, yum,
because
yum.
it was so good. So today I said, oh, let's make a refrigerator lunch. So it's a pasta salad, basically. It's got some shredded coleslaw mix, some edamame, which I made the mistake of buying the ones in the pods.
Oh no.
So
You had Love is Blind on the mind.
I did.
The pods.
This has been in the freezer for a while. So I just did this ahead of time because that's not going to count. Because next time I'm going to get out of the pods. Sean just got home from program. He's really feeling it. I've got a bag of frozen California mix in the microwave right now. This is going to be a quick lunch because it's already late. It's already 3:30.
We're ready to eat.
I got some bow tie pasta, the Italian kind. So I'm just going to dump that in there. That's going to take like 10 minutes to cook. And we're probably going to be eating in like 10 to 15 minutes.
Wonderful.
So this is pretty quick. Also, from the other day, I had some leftover meaty chicken cutlet. So I'm going to re-crisp that up in my new air fryer.
Those meaty cutlets.
They're something special. I bought this with my own money. This is not sponsored. This is the Eden Pier. I think they call it like unique air fryer or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to do reheat and start.
Okay.
So that's going to do its thing. I'm going to put this back in the fridge for another day because we just had it.
I was wondering if the fries were part of it.
No. No, they're not.
Okay.
I might as well put the these in because these are cooked already. I have a can of black olives, which I love. A whole can of olives is not that many calories.
Yeah.
So I'm putting in a whole can of olives. That's ready, but it's hot, so I'm going to let it sit and cool off a little bit, and I'm going to make the dressing over here. It's going to be a super simple apple cider vinegar dressing.
Yum, yum, yum.
Because that's great when you have GERD. Apple cider vinegar.
That's me.
Perfect.
GERD girl.
Yes. Well, we just are possibly figuring out that your GERD
Well, my headaches
may be causing your headaches.
Yeah.
So we're trying to work on our guts.
Aren't we?
Yes. So we're trying not to have tomatoes, which I could have put in the salad. We gotta
Of course, I'm obsessed with tomatoes, and now I can't have them for a while.
I know. Well, you know what? You gotta find your trigger foods, and you gotta avoid them until your gut heals, and then maybe you'll be able to reintroduce some of them, and maybe you won't. So we'll have to see what happens. But this tahini is super thick. I wish it was more liquidy, but it's kind of separated, so I'm going to do my best here to get out a few tablespoons and put it in this tiny little jar.
I like that there's a raccoon on the label.
Yeah, right?
That's
Trash
so cute.
Panda! Alright, let me see how much tahini I can get in this little jar without slopping it up.
Good luck.
Yeah, I know. I'm aiming for about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Because that's a big salad. That's not just for lunch today. That's that could be for lunch tomorrow.
Pull that out tomorrow, yeah.
At least add stuff to it, you know. I like to have a rolling salad in the refrigerator where you could just like, oh, I'll just add a little something something to this.
Agreed.
That's fun. Alright, we'll also put in some tamari, which is gluten-free soy sauce. Probably about 2 tablespoons. He's really going through it.
Yeah, he's not in a good mood
How
right
about
now.
that? Yep. Okay.
You okay, Shundi?
I don't know what happened today.
Oh, God.
But he seems to not be having it.
It's okay, bud.
Just relax, buddy.
My poison.
I think he's pretending to be the witch from Snow White.
I think so.
We got a little apple cider vinegar with the mother. We're gonna do like, well, 2 teaspoons. Maybe we'll do 3.
Ah! Mother doesn't
that was
like
like
it.
2.5. Mother loves it. And then we're also gonna water it down with a little bit of none other than water.
There will be no escape for you.
All right, so.
Sometimes you just have those days.
Yeah, most days.
Shake it up the cars.
Yeah, look at that. Shake it up
looks
the
good.
cars. It's ready to go. So as soon as the pasta is ready, we'll rinse it off with some cold water. I gotta clean off my spoon here because it's, you know. Then we're gonna get our mushroom chicken, out of the air fryer. It's only 1 more minute for that. And we're gonna toss this and we're gonna eat it.
And we're gonna love it.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be amazing.
All right.
My goodness. They settled down. It's gonna be okay. So we're ready to assemble. We've got our cooked pasta, which I left hot because I kind of like when it wilts the cabbage a little bit.
Okay.
Plus, it's
Oh my god.
it's really full.
You are notorious for
Overfilling the bowls.
overfilling a bowl.
Yes. But it has all good stuff.
It does.
I like to put like maximum stuff in here. All right,
Pick this up.
let's let that wilt the cabbage a little bit so that it yeah, it's a slippery little sucker. So that we have more room in the bowl for tossing.
Yes.
We also have some California blend, which we're gonna stick in here.
Oh my gosh.
Can we fill this further? We sure can.
We can.
And we're gonna.
So much goodness.
I know, right? This
Never again, Morgana.
Never again.
Morgana. Don't forget. We're gonna see Snow White this weekend, so I'm excited for that.
Me too.
We have mushroom meaty, chicken cutlet, mushroom chicken,
Yum yum.
and then the only thing that's left is our dressing. Fresh. Ah, minimal dressing, beautiful,
We love it. We love to see it.
right?
And we love to eat it.
Yes. Sometimes you just want to eat something fresh, especially when it's March 18th and it's so close to spring,
I know.
but it still feels like winter outside.
Well, today is really nice, but we still have some.
This morning was not.
We have some chilly days ahead of us still, but
We live in the Northeast, so in the morning it's winter, in the afternoon it's spring for
Yeah.
about a month and a half or so.
mm-hmm.
There's always that adjustment period.
Bring
See
your
what this
jacket.
tastes like.
Just right.
All right, well,
I'll let you work your magic.
thank you. You don't want to watch me struggle?
No.
No. I thought you would. All right, dog is drinking. We knew it was going to happen.
This looks delicious.
It is light and fresh. I feel like this is something that you can eat a lot of and not feel bloated
Yeah.
because it's
Good,
pretty
'cause I
low
hate
calorie.
feeling bloated.
I know. It's pretty low calorie with all of the cabbage in there and carrots
Want to get a little
shredded
bit of
up.
everything. We did add a little bit of salt.
Salt and pepper because I don't salt my pasta water when I boil it. I probably should, but I don't because I feel like it's kind of a waste, but
I like to salt to taste,
Yeah.
usually.
this is super fresh. It looks amazing.
It does look
like
really
I
good.
would love to have this out on the deck with like a nice
Yeah.
iced tea or something like
That
that.
would be good. Let's take a taste.
Pre-summer summer salad series.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a pasta primavera.
So good.
Like my mom would order this all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
would
do you
love
think
this.
they have a pasta primavera?
I love the dressing.
Oh yeah? Nice.
New
Okay.
favorite.
All right.
That's really, really good.
I want to eat more like this this summer because I want it to be light and I want it to be not triggering for you.
Ooh, that is very, very tasty.
All right.
I can get down with that.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoy.
I will.
Let us
I
know
hope you enjoy too.
if you what you want to see us make
Mm-hmm.
because I want to do stuff that you guys are going to be interested in too. But of course, I'm going to try and do it as healthy as possible without eating cardboard, because like I could have made this a little higher protein with some chickpea pasta or something, but I don't like chickpea pasta.
Yeah.
And what's the point of eating something if you're not going to enjoy it? I don't see the point in that, even if it's like super healthy. I don't like that.
I like the Italian when it's good.
It is good. All
Delicious.
right.
I can't stop looking at it. It looks so nice.
It really does. The colors are beautiful.
Beautiful presentation.
Oh,
and simple.
And overflowing.
Yes, literally. So thank you all so much for watching. We hope you give this a try and enjoy it. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, much love.